I say bebre na ACC ewo Ghana. Na yakwa say bad news no eya overcome good news no, which is quite alarming for a country. Enro ya opposite Makola Market, ejebi kotobe ebi ma ashe 3-story buildings ma manfo lose omo properties a enye asem ketwa kra eye sad news pa. Na se ejabe to baby ni de ade ebitumi asi ewo ekro bia so na me problem ni se ekwan ya ye fa so handle the situation no when it happens. Na efe no how I fa so find a solution to the problem no. Eno NCC ade a ewo se Ghana ye hwe ho asem na ye ka. Inti yehwe enro a ayrohosema esiye ewo Makola Market ho no.
1.2 billion no. Stop back to 20 something. Hey! Stop there what they have done now about living legend was now up here. I'm living legend. Forget them we found foolish right there. Water bill. Always taking water bill.
Na asem ni si ye echi no nimpa bebre na omo abekasa afa asem ne ho. Na mesaka video bi wa hanom a we eye eyewitness a no wo ho no ebra asem no esiye no nti yentie asem a wono so ekafa ho.
You said you were here when it all started.
You can see from the video. This is the video. It started from the banner. Just a banner outside the store. And they went to call the fireman.
So that's a banner there.
Just a banner, not inside the shop, outside.
Okay, according to this guy, no, or say a banner ena eja eto outside the store. Ena omo ye omo adwin so omo kwa kofre fire service for na akobi be say God so lucky na fire service for so was 300 meters away from the store. International say omo ben store ne pa nti na omo ko say omo ko akofre fire service for so omo mra medum ja no. Na me problem ni say eja ato banner mu outside the store. Na mo amwo honom no ede na mo ye fa ho a before answer na mo kwakofre fire service no. Okay se mo be kwakofre fire service for so omo mra medum ja no. Na mo na mo twa honom ahia na guy ne kora ka say you can see the video. That means say wa record bibia. Ade na mo amwa mama try say mo bedum eja no answer na fire service for ne kora wo bibia omo abeye. Na mo gina ho na mo record videos na later no mo blame fire service say omo amantem na it was just a banner ade na mo amwa na mo ntimi anye at least bibi anfa ho we any masimbisa
not inside the shop, outside, just a banner.
Okay.
And they went there to call them, say there is fire over here.
They went to call who?
The fire service. It's just behind here, so they went there by themselves and went there to go and call them. When they went, they walk on their barefoot to come and see what is going on. Just a banner can collapse 3-story building.
No, wait, you said they went to call him and he walked on his foot.
Barefooted to the place.
Hey Ghana, Africa. Hey, bibi need me adie ho catch the Brunei onyi ni o. Ose omukọ free fire service for no. Na de omukọ to ne ho no omukọ kire nti eja to e bi no. Ori omu nyina free office for no mo. Bibi ni. Esanzo eba baby ade na ehini se oba behwe de esi. Wanfa cow, wanfa nsu, wanfa any equipment bia se oba bedum ja no. Na emom no onante free office for no money sankrofo na asa by se omo oba behwe de esi ansa na omo bibi ya omo ayebo bibi ni kra de na he bibi ni.
And what do you have to do? You don't have to be doing this. You are we are a citizen, and we went and call you that there is a fire over here. So you are supposed to bring the car. When they brought the car, they said there is no water inside the car.
They said that to you?
They said there is no fire.
Hey, Erade Africa. That many be. It was say, fire service for no later na omo de car no, omo car na omo dum eja no eba no. Na insuo bia, omo say insuo bia ni. na na mo ba no mo se mo de entesuo na ebedum ejana na ase mo ba behu mframa mo de manu behu mframa na edum jana na ase mo be dey why they do that I say hwe ebi footballer ekobo ball no dru park ni so amo say ball bia ne hono na mo be hwetwa muti na mo de abo ball na ase mo be dey koda kikura to me ade anyansa ni na hwe say na anu ya ebisi o fire service for kodum ja omo high taxi e no mo de omo de kwa kodum ja no e no mo fa se gallon se dey na kiti Ghana baby e dru ni enti we dey e besra bai say onye bibi emfa ho we enye first time bibi sa esi no e say fire service for no o provide omo ade omo hia bia Ghana electricity system ne krapo no enye papa bia ente na eja to baby na omo bedum ja ne nso enne eye equipment omo de be ya adwuma na ye koya na ase ye bai enti we dey ye sere say abayo say private sectors o say hwan yo mumpe bibi enye mfa ho say de be ya amanfo en lose omo properties because ayiro ho 3-story buildings ni nyina ahye ebi kura make na insurance ene ho enti no na jere say condemn to grabu enti we dey abai ye be sere say munye bibi mfa ho na face the country ne de ye koswa promote sa agenda no ye be gira mo so because we want the betterment of the country na wa wo do woti ekuroni mu no so no fix your attitude se won se bibi esi a bo homoden se wo be ye bibi e de aboa masa problem no asolve na wa mfa woni ankoto aban ko aso enye sa wa mu no nso ho be kire so I say till we meet again. Asel.